A glue gun is a great tool to keep in the shop, but it can make a little bit of a mess. So today, I'm going to make a couple of scrap wood glue gun stands with removable metal pins to catch the glue drips. They're also going to have small boxes on one side to hold the extra glue sticks, and because I have nothing better to do today apparently, I'm going to add some completely unnecessary design details just to fancy them up a little. So let's get building. I resawed this 1.5 inch piece of leftover sapele into two, milled both pieces down to size, and then cut 4 inches off of each one, leaving 14-inch boards for the base and 4-inch tall boards for the stands. I used the glue gun to find the position of the stand on the base rather than trying to measure awkward dimensions. A smart man would install this with a simple dado, but I decided it would be way more fun to make a sliding dovetail. Once the dovetail fit, I cut a U shape in the top of the stand to hold the glue gun. This keeps it from tipping side to side. I lucked out that these Teddy peanut butter lids fit perfectly into a 3-inch hole. A template and a router is the best way I've found to cut this kind of hole. If you leave your centering lines visible on both the template and the workpiece, then you can line them up to one another and you'll always be in the exact center of what you're trying to cut. A bit of sanding here makes everything nice. The box is next. I overcomplicated this a bit, though it does look nice. First, I made a miter box instead of simple butt joints. Then I decided to add splines because they'd look nice. Of course, I've never used splines before, so I had to make a spline jig. And that did take a bit of time. Then I cut an angle on the top, just because it felt like it needed it. Not a huge time suck, even if the cut was a little sketchy. Do I regret all these extra details? No. But did they mean that an afternoon project took about 2 days? Yes. Some more sanding, then assembly, then some more sanding to clean up all the glue squeeze out and break all the corners. A few coats of spray polyurethane, and then the glue gun stand is ready to ship out. Were all these extra design details worth the extra time? Probably not. I doubt that anyone will notice that I use sliding dovetails instead of dados. But damn it if those splines don't pop.